My wife and I, we've been together. We've been married for 15 years.
For 15 years?
Yes, going to our 16th year. A decade and some years into our marriage, I had a motor accident.
Okay.
It put me down for a year, and my wife had to be there for me. 3 months into the accident, I realized things was very difficult, and so she has to stay home and then take care of me. And she agreed to staying home and then taking care of me. And
so she quit her job?
Yes.
On your advice?
Yes. So she did all that for me. I got back on my feet, God being so good.
Within a year?
After a year.
After a year?
Yes.
You got back on your feet?
Yes. But not long enough. My wife also got struck by stroke.
Stroke?
Yes. Because she couldn't move, I was the one cooking, giving her food. I was the one cleaning her.
Say it as it is.
Okay, I was the one cleaning her poo when she go somewhere. Good. And almost everything on her, I have to do it. And it was, I couldn't stand it.
You couldn't stand cleaning your wife?
I couldn't.
You couldn't stand cleaning your own wife?
Yes. It's very, very hurting. And I can't also quit my job to stay at home and then take care of her. If I quit my job, who is going to take care of me and her?
Okay.
I can't carry tilapia on my head to the market to go and sell.
Why can't you carry tilapia on your head to the market?
Even if I carry tilapia on my head to go and sell, I'll still leave her home and I'm going to work.
Okay. So you can't take care of her.
So yes.
And you can't quit your job.
I can't quit my job too.
And the only reason why you feel you can no longer take care of her is the kind of things you do for her.
Yes.
And the things you're seeing.
Yes.
Her poo, her urine.
Generally, taking care of her is very hectic.
But she's your wife. You love her.
I know.
So do it with love.
I know. I wish we had children. So that they will also support. But here lies the case. I'm alone.
Yeah. Pay someone to take care of her.
She doesn't want anybody to come closer apart from me. I said to myself I had to take her to her family. Once I'm able to take her to the family, I'm divorcing her.
Why?
Because what I have seen, even if she comes back, it will be too difficult for me to stay with her.
Are you taking her to her family so that she will go and die with them?
No.
Is that the idea? Because people do it.
No.
People do it. When the man is sick or when the woman is sick, they go and leave them with their family.
No.
Is that what you are doing?
No.
No. What exactly are you doing? Say it as it is and let's move forward.
I'm taking her to the family to divorce her. That is it.
Just like that?
Yes. I'm not wishing death for her. Yes.
You are not wishing death for her,
no.
But you want to divorce her.
Yes.
In these trying times, when she needs you the most, you are taking her to the family, and you said you are going with the drink to divorce her. But when you were sick, she stopped everything. Her world stopped for you. She took care of you. Didn't she clean your poo?
She did.
She did.
Yeah.
Didn't she clean your pee?
She did.
Didn't she bath you?
She did.
Dress you?
She did.
Why can't you do the same for her?
But you see, it's those things. It's natural for women to do.
It's natural for women
it's natural
to take care of sick husbands.
Yes, it's very natural for women to
clean a man's
to clean a man, to do all those sort of things.
But
for a man to dedicate his time and his whole world to doing that thing is very difficult.
So you are divorcing your wife because she poos on herself, and you would have to clean it because she is sick.
Because I'm the only person taking care of her and I'm tired.